Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. Today I'm back with another fun fall/Halloween craft for you to transform these items into this cute, adorable rustic pumpkin. Most of these things you can find at Dollar Tree, and I'm excited to share how you can create this at home, so let's get started. To start, you're going to want to make sure you have one of the foam Dollar Tree pumpkins, a beanie. These are one of the newer winter items. Just this real fluffy chenille beanie, some twine, some ribbon of your choice. This one I actually like, it's a polka dot burlap, a craft stick, scissors, glue, and some cinnamon sticks. Okay, to start, all you need to do is go ahead and pull out the stem from the foam pumpkin. You can discard it, you're not going to need this for this project. And then next you're going to go ahead and kind of carve, you can use your craft stick if you want, a bit of a hole in the inside. Once you have a good sized hole right there in the center, you're going to want to grab your beanie and just simply put the pumpkin inside the beanie. Like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to get some hot glue, stick it right around the base of that hole. Then you're going to get your craft stick. This is just to save your fingers from getting burned. You're going to push that remaining beanie parts, the excess, right into that hole. Like that. Make sure that it's pretty tight. Just keep pushing. There you go. Now you have a fully covered fabric pumpkin. The next step is what you're going to do is get your twine, and you can start in the center here. Go ahead and put some more glue. Get your craft stick again and just push the twine in there. Make sure that's pretty secure. You can add a little bit more glue. And then what you're going to do is you can feel along the pumpkin the ridges from the natural form of the pumpkin, and you're going to go ahead and put the twine around the pumpkin following those ridges. And once you get into the middle, you're going to glue it, and using your craft stick, hold it down. Okay. And then you just find the other crevice and follow that line like so. And then stick it down in there again. And you're just going to keep going all the way around. Once you have covered the pumpkin pretty well with the twine, outlined most of the ridges, you're going to go ahead and put some more glue and tuck that last end of that twine all the way in the hole. And so right now you have the twine going all around the pumpkin, and you can move the string as you see fit so that it's even. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and grab your cinnamon stick, and you can trim it down to whatever length you want for the stem. That's kind of long for what I want to do with it, so I'm going to trim it down a little bit. I'm just going to use my scissors to do that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bunch of glue in the center there. Then I'm going to get the end of the cinnamon stick and push it down into the hole. there's your stem. And you can trim down these little extra little pieces of twine. Gonna give your pumpkin a haircut. Just trim it up. That way it doesn't look so furry. Next, you're gonna go ahead and get your favorite ribbon. I'm gonna use this polka dot for this one. I used a stripe for the one I first made as my sample. You can just go ahead and just cut a good length of it. Trim the edges. And you can tie either a bow if you want. I just like to tie a little knot around it. That way it's not overpowering or hiding the stick or your stem. So it's really that easy. All it takes is a foam pumpkin, a beanie, some twine, cinnamon stick, and some ribbon, and you're all set. So you can make a bunch of these, put them on your mantle, put them around, put them in a basket. Super simple. You can add this to your fall decor, you can add it to your Halloween decor. My fall decor are these colors, so it's perfect for mine, but you can use them for Halloween too. So I hope you give this a try. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please give it a thumbs up. If you happen to make these projects, please share them with me. I'd love to see what you do with them. Until next time, talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.